Lorraine, when you brought the cake to England, where you give it to the donkey, a donkey that or a camel? I think a donkey. Or which one of the something Jesus used to ride is donkey, right? Donkey, no. So this must be a camel, right? When you carry the cake to England and you give it to the camel, or is a centaur, half animal, half something. One thing, like a half horse, a half man, half human. You're a centaur. I could put a proper name for you. Yeah, you. When you brought the cake for that thing, you should have poisoned her. Lorraine, you should have asked me. Ask me, man. You should have buy the little black rat poison will look like black pepper. You have a rat poison with black, and if you have a black pepper, you should have sprinkle it in a cake. Yeah? Cause when you went and you took the cake, you should have poisoned that man. Them they don't need to be nowhere around here. Things get rid of them. So you can be happy. You brought the cake to England, where you give it to the donkey. A donkey that or a camel? I think a donkey. Or which one of the something Jesus used to ride is donkey, right? Donkey, no. So this must be a camel, right? When you carry the cake to England and you give it to the camel, or is a centaur, half animal, half something. One thing, like a half horse, a half man, half human. You're a centaur. I could put a proper name for you. Yeah, you. When you brought the cake for that thing, you should have poisoned her. Lorraine, you should have asked me. Ask me, man. You should have buy the little black rat poison will look like black pepper. You have a rat poison with black, and if you have a black pepper, you should have sprinkle it in a cake. Yeah? Cause when you took the cake, you should have poisoned that man. Them they don't need to be nowhere around here. Things.
People where she know see me at work and they can see her that she could have done me things. But anything happened to me in a London, the witch. She have time for send out people for pat straight upon me. What time she have on her hands? What time she have on her hand? What time she have on her hand for the perform with so many people? She's a premeditated murder person like that. And she look like the centaur. And she look like the centaur. Premeditated murderer. You understand? You see 13 had done him. Wicked. Evil. Be careful who you Satan. He said the woman evil, the woman. Me say the woman evil, the woman wicked and wicked. Me say wicked and wicked till he ugly. And wicked. Me say Lady V wicked till she ugly. And wicked and wicked and wicked till he ugly. Me not lie. Ugly Lady V. Very, very ugly. Listen, V, look. People don't have a good heart. When you got a country and the pig go, who like the pig with that in the pen? He might want to look a pig. So when you go out there now and you take him and you wash him off nicely and he come out, and when you go home, he go back in the mud. I see that. That is the definition of a pig. And she's very hostile. Social media personality or content creator from day one. Watch their action. Watch their journey. And they change along the way. If you come natural, come as Erica was saying from day one was true. And people come out here tend to bash her. And the truth was right there. The writing was all on the wall. The writing was all on the wall. She coming about, don't talk about her daughter. How I think that lady is, I think she is behind her daughter thing that she is doing. Because if I have a daughter, I would not come out here like, oh, blah, blah, and call her a certain name. Look at the name she called her daughter. Would you call your own child those kind of name? That to show you she is nobody. She is at the bottomless pit and she want to be known. At the head which she sit right on top. And Jesus Christ, how all of them blood I make head rich getting at the department? Jesus Christ. Hey, on a fool, you know? Or a friend thing. Head witch. Remember saying you see the head witch? She want to take over, you know. And she want everybody under fear umbrella, you know. And he friend everybody. So she's the all-purpose bagger. And guess what? He now go win because God don't love ugly. Boss. But deeply, she don't love Planka Boss. She's jealous of Planka Boss. So everybody around Planka Boss now, she get to know them. As I am the motivational speaker and people will listen to me. I'm educated. I'm a psychiatrist. I am this. I am that. So once you say you is a Planka, people, they will get Planka following. Guys, I'm going to be honest to myself, yeah?